Hi, I'm Phil and I'm a member of the Welcome Bay Estuary Care Group. I've been a member for, I don't know, 7 or 8 years. And why do I enjoy it? What better thing can you do on a morning like this, in a harbour like this? It's just beautiful. And we want to keep it beautiful.
Down here at the Waitaha Salt Marsh, we've been very busy in planting this area, particularly to encourage bird life and to look after the bird life. So all this will be full of ribbon woods, and this is an ideal place for them, and birds love them. So we're very proud of what's happened here.
Hi, I'm Alison Blaine and I live in Welcome Bay, and this is my neighbour Karen Moses. We both moved into Welcome Bay about the same time, around 3 years ago, give or take, and became interested in caring for the environment that was our new neighbourhood.
What you're seeing here today is part of a very active planting program that we've been undertaking for about 4 years now. And so all the bush that you can see around here, we planted.